now since we sold our Discovery 3, but I was a bit surprised the other day to see it actually up online for sale on eBay. The guy we sold it to, I had a quick chat with him, and he did say that after putting quite a lot of money into it, he's now got a bit of a bill coming that he needs to actually cover. So it looks a real good deal, I think, especially seeing if we look to see what it's actually got on it now. He's made it into a true Overland vehicle. You can actually see on here he's got that tent box, he's also got the awning, and if we have a look in the back you can see he's got it fully kitted out with the camp pow, which has the slide out drawers for the cooker. I see he's got the Outwell cooker. He's also got the bed in there as well. I see he's made a few other changes as well to it. Looks like he's painted up the wheels, looks like there's maybe a bit of plastic dip on there. I see he's got the graphics on the side of the vehicle. In fact, it also looks like he's put a ladder on the back of it. So it makes me think, should I be buying it back? That's the big question. I have been missing it a little bit. It would be pretty handy, I think, as well, because we could then get, or you could get the two people both in the back of it, and then in the top looks like there's enough space as well for two. Hey, and does it look like he's also got some lights fitted in there as well? I see he's put on here the service history and things in there. Obviously it was all been serviced when we had it, and it was completely clear on its last MOT, no advisories at all. Yeah, looks like that was one of the last service bits that we had with it as well, all the same in there. So good luck, Andy. If it doesn't sell, I really am thinking perhaps I should buy it as well. Oh, and I see you've also got those graphics on the side, and it looks like you've changed the lights on it. And if I didn't mention it beforehand, he's got it up for $9,450, a pretty good price, I think, seeing it has got that rear locking diff on it, which is very unusual to have, and all the other bits and pieces that went with it as well. Still obviously got the same winch that we had on it. Looks like he's changed the number plate, but I think he says in the advert that he's going to take that off. Hey, and he also is referencing us as well, I see in here with JT. We'll put a link in this video to the eBay if you want to have a look at it for him, and we'll also, he sent us a little video montage showing what he's done to the vehicle, so good on him. And yeah, drop me a line if you think I should buy it back. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will be doing some more videos with the Freelander, and we'll also be doing some videos probably with the Jeep Rubicon. Thanks a lot, see you soon.